right to be offended, and it's her right to seek resolution with Mielle I Organics. Entrepreneurs are held to a higher standard. Hi, my name is Mimi, and welcome to my channel Untwisted, where generally I share hair tutorials that I hope will help you simplify your natural hair routine. So recently, the YouTube algorithm has been pushing videos about canceling Mielle I across my auto playlist. Like, I haven't been searching for Mielle I products. The videos that are coming across aren't channels that I'm subscribed to. In fact, I think the video was called Mielle Hates Black Women. And that is a very strong statement and could ruin a brand that is directed towards primarily black women. So I'm not sure why, but it's trending to cancel Mielle I. So I did some of my own research, and in doing that research, the more I learned about the company, the more I developed a very passionate position on the topic. But before I get into my opinion, I just wanted to clearly state the 5 things that you should know about the situation that is leading to canceling Mielle I Organics trending on YouTube right now. So the first thing you should know is that there was a YouTuber who made a video reviewing one of Mielle I Organics product lines. The review was less than favorable, and that was the video that launched the current debate and trend about canceling Mielle I Organics. The second thing you should know is that the founder of Mielle I Organics, Monique Rodriguez, responded to the video, tried to inform the YouTuber that she was not using the products as intended, and that's why her results weren't that great. And this conversation escalated into 2 or 3 comments going back and forth. Both were pretty respectful. The owner was defending her products and saying that they should be used a certain way to get the best results, and she kind of directed the YouTuber to her Instagram live, where apparently she shows people how her products were intended to be used. Because these comments were left on this YouTuber's video and nobody else's negative review videos, the YouTuber felt singled out by the founder of Mielle I Organics. Since then, the comments have been deleted, but someone took screenshots of them and they have started to circulate around YouTube. The third thing you should know is the YouTuber who left the negative reviews has done positive reviews in the past on Mielle I products, and no one from the company ever reached out to her to say thank you, and no one from the company ever reached out to her to send out products or just anything. She never got any feedback on her positive reviews. So that's another reason she felt disrespected by the founder of Mielle I Organics. The fourth thing you should know about this is that since the original video, the YouTuber who posted the review has posted 2 or 3 additional updates that outline events that have unfolded since the original review and comments back and forth. And one of them, she alleges that the husband of the founder, Monique Rodriguez's husband, has called her on her personal cell phone and continued to harass her about her negative product review. And the fifth thing you should probably know is that Mielle I Organics has posted a text-based apology on their YouTube channel for the original comments, and that is where the basis of this conversation started. Now, I'm going to delve into my opinion about this. If Monique Rodriguez's husband did go through customer records to call this YouTuber on her personal phone number, that's a bit out of line. From the way that people were discussing the situations and like these videos that are trending on YouTube, I thought Monique had said, you know, this girl didn't have the right texture for her hair, or was like trying to sue her to take the video down, but it was nothing that outrageous. It was literally just, hey, try using these products differently. And I get, like, coming from the owner, that could come off wrong. If I were reading those and somebody's comments underneath a video, I would not have thought that the owner, Monique Rodriguez, first of all, I wouldn't even have known that she was the owner of Mielle I Organics, because it was a personal account called Monique Rodriguez. And before all of this, I had no idea who the owner of Mielle Cosmetics was, and I've seen these type of comments before, where people, not necessarily the owner of a company, tell YouTubers that if they use the product in a different way, they will get different results. So I did not see the comments to be that offensive. Unexpected from the company owner of a product, definitely unexpected, but not uncommon on YouTube. Okay, so I had to do a little change of wardrobe and scenery. I got my little guy right next to me off the camera. So just to continue the conversation, that my hope is that Monique and this YouTuber are able to make peace with this situation, and that neither Monique or this YouTuber are further negatively impacted by the situation that escalated. I hope they are able to come to some sort of resolution. I respect that YouTuber's right to her feelings. For her feeling singled out, I respect her right to share as much or as little information about the situation as she chooses. As an entrepreneur, I feel like Monique Rodriguez should be held to a higher standard than a typical person browsing YouTube and making comments. There are YouTube videos that are circulating that make Monique Rodriguez and her husband out to be illiterate, stalking trolls on the internet who don't have anything better to do than harass and bully YouTubers. There have also been YouTube videos out there that imply that Monique Rodriguez, her husband, and Mielle Organics do not support black people or do not support small influencers or small influencers on YouTube, which is more concerning to me than the comments. So I did my own research into Mielle, the company, and the founder Monique Rodriguez and her husband, just to see what they were really about. And what I discovered is nothing like what is trending in all these videos. I did not realize what a grassroots company Mielle Organics is, because I did not learn about them on YouTube. I found Mielle on my own while I was browsing probably the Target website looking for natural hair products. So her marketing is on point even outside of YouTube and Instagram influencers. And I scrolled their Instagram account, and I didn't spend more than 10 or 15 minutes on there, but I just wanted to spot check what they were about, and it seems like they're doing their fair share to support the black community. The one video I came across, they gave a guy who would not have been able to continue college without additional financing. He was tapped out on student loan and he couldn't work due to the quarantine restrictions. So he was backed against the wall and wasn't sure how he was going to pay for college. And Monique's husband is on a live with this young man, and he gives him enough money to pay for his last year of college, which is extraordinary for a company to do. It is no simple feat for someone to get onto the shelves of Target, CVS, and Sally's. The hustle, the grind, the dedication, the learning curve that she must have had to go through to get there is insane. In addition to developing products and having marketing that's on point for the natural hair community is something that I am overall impressed with. So they say there's no such thing as bad publicity. Without this incident, I don't think I would have done this deep of a dive into Mielle, but I am impressed with what I see, and I don't think this trend on YouTube where people are canceling Mielle is going to destroy their business, but I don't understand why I see black women after black women getting on camera and going after this successful black woman. That I'm not even referring to the original YouTuber. That is her truth. I understand to some extent how she feels, how it must feel to have the owner of a company come on your video and say things that you don't agree with, and for you to feel disrespected. That is 100% her truth. So again, the YouTuber who felt attacked, it's her right, her opinion to do the review. It's her right to be offended, and it's her right to seek resolution with Mielle I Organics. Entrepreneurs are held to a higher standard. If and when I ever decide to cancel a black-owned company, I will not be doing it publicly on this channel. Like I said, right now, my channel is very small, but once I get an audience, I'm not going to sit here and, rant about canceling a black company. I will go in, I will take down any videos that might have promoted them, and I'll stop buying them, and I'll talk about it privately with my friends and family. But there's enough people out there canceling us in a multitude of ways that I don't think us as the community of black women should be out here ripping them down. I won't be making that many of these type of videos, but if you're interested in some natural hair tutorials, go ahead and subscribe.